YouTube, it's Austin Rich. Hello, we get it for running. Hello, we are having very severe thunderstorms. I thought we should just take a video of this, post this. Really scary actually. Okay. Oh my god, it's a pussycat. Oh my god, it's the pussycat. Alright. Okay. Okay, hold on, we still have to. Oh my goodness. I saw a lightning bolt right over there. Oh my god, whoa. Oh Jesus. Okay, oh my. Oh my god! Holy shit, it's Vietnam. Run, we have to run. We have to run. Oh my goodness, wow. We're going this way, but we gotta go this way. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.